Now, how did we end up here? Well, I'm going to tell you. I invited my mom and brother over for dinner, and I wanted to do something different. So, as a part of that dinner, I made sweet potato cornbread. And I'm going to show you what I did to do it, all right? Let's get started.
Welcome to our channel.
Ballards by Design.
You do it too much.
Okay, good people. I am using packaged cornbread. I am not making it from scratch. I'm using Martha White sweet yellow cornbread. She's good, okay? So that's what we're going with for this recipe. I am using 3 packages. You want to empty those into a large mixing bowl. For the most part, I will be following the package directions. The only difference is each package calls for 1 egg. Well, I am going to add 1 additional. So that is why you see 4 eggs here. And y'all, I've never made sweet potato cornbread before, so this was an experiment for me. But y'all stay tuned because I'm telling you, you will want to make this. It came out really, really good. After you add your eggs, you want to go ahead and add in your milk. Now, I didn't measure. I just poured until it felt right. Again, just follow the package directions if you don't feel comfortable doing that, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to stir this a little bit. I'm not trying to get this mixture well incorporated at this time because I still have other ingredients to add. Then I will mix it well with my mixer. Now, as for the sweet potatoes, the star ingredient, right? I did roast 4 sweet potatoes, but I am only using 3, you guys. And I am going right into my bowl with the sweet potatoes. You can mash these on the side if you like, but for me, I'm just going right in and adding them to my mix and then kind of working them into the mixture with my spatula. Okay, now I have some light brown sugar here that I am going to add to this mix, and I'm doing about 1/3 of a cup. Now you want to sprinkle in some nutmeg. I'm using about 1/2 teaspoon. Of course, with sweet potatoes, you have to have cinnamon, so I am using about 2 teaspoons of that. Last, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now we're going to take our mixer and get all of our ingredients mixed together really, really well. Hey, if you've made it this far in the video, we hope you would consider subscribing for more content. Also, give us a thumbs up on this video if you like this type of content, as that does help our channel. And please feel free to share it with your family and friends. Okay, now our mixture is nice and smooth, so it is time to add it to our pan. I am using a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, which, as you can see here, I already have it nice and buttered. You want to make sure you either butter your pan or spray it with a cooking spray so that your cornbread does not stick. Also, I didn't mention before, my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And I just like to go over the top with my spatula to make sure that my mixture is evenly dispersed in my pan. But now, y'all, it is time for the oven, and this is going to bake 35 to 40 minutes. While that is in the oven, we're going to start our glaze. You need a stick of butter, honey, and brown sugar. So I have my pot here. I have my stick of butter melting. To that, I am adding about 1/3 of a cup of honey. Also, I'm going to add in about 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Once your butter is melted and everything is mixed in, you want to bring this to a boil, which you will let boil for about 1 minute. Once that is done, you'll just remove it from the heat and it'll be ready for your cornbread when it comes out of the oven. And there she is. Doesn't it look good? Now mine baked for about 38 minutes, so y'all be sure to check it at around the 35-minute mark. But all that's left to do is just add on the glaze. That's it, y'all. Doesn't it look spectacular? I'm telling y'all, this is too easy for y'all not to make, especially if you like cornbread and you like sweet potatoes. This is the perfect combo. Well, now I'm gonna serve it up and let my people taste it. So y'all stay tuned for their reactions. Oh, and let me give a special shout out to my brother because he was on these angles so y'all can see this cornbread. Thanks for helping me shoot this video. I love you, Lee. Okay, Mama, this is a taste test on the sweet potato cornbread.
I almost like a pie.
Is it?
Good. It's real good.
All right. Y'all hear it? It's easy and quick to make. All right, brother. You tasted yet? Dropped it.
I ain't wasting nothing.
I'm really very pleased that Jamie wants to honor Madge with
Like it?
having a chair for her.
Oh yeah,
All right.
that is like a sweet potato pie.
Is it really?
You know that's my holiday favorite. Oh yeah. Gonna run my sugar up.
Don't run it up, brother.
Put my insulin, so I'm good. That's real good. It's nice and moist.
It is real moist.
Look at that.
Well, praise the Most High.
Ooh,
All
that's
right.
good. That's real good. You know I need the recipe.
All right, I got you.
Jane.
Real easy. All right, y'all heard my people. Y'all better go and make that old easy cornbread. But that's it for this video. We'll catch you on the next one. Love y'all big. Bye.